Hello, this is number 17 from last night's homework on page 638. Number 17. Okay, 17, page 638. Here we go. When you do this problem, you have got to realize that this right here, which is called A, I'm going to erase all this in a second, that's 2 units long. From here all the way over to the vertex here is going to be, count them up, 4 units long, which means that this focus point, which could be right in here somewhere, the distance here is also equal to 4. You have to find this little distance from the center to the focus, which we call C. And to do that, that formula is B. I apologize. That should be B right there. You guys should have been correcting me. B squared plus C squared equals A squared. I had the right thing. I said the wrong thing. So that's 2 squared plus C squared, which we don't know, and that equals 4 squared. Let me go back to black so it gets a little bit better. 4 plus C squared equals 16. We subtract 4. C squared equals 12. And we square root both sides. C will equal the square root of 12, which is equal to 2 radical 3. So that right there is C. We use that. Now remember, that's the distance from the center to the focus, F here. That's that distance, 2 radical 3. It's a little bit less than 4. It's like 3.5 or something like that. We put this in the foci formula over here as H, which H is -2, so that's -2 plus or minus 2 radical 3, comma K, and K is 0. This would be your focus formula, filled in as your coordinates there. And for the standard form, if we plug everything we know in here, which the important things to remember now, remember, is A is 4, B is 2, and the center HK. And that's really all you need to do the standard form. So watch. This would be X minus H, which is -2, so it's going to be X plus 2 squared over A squared, which is 4 squared, and that's going to be 16. So you can feel free to write 16 there if you want. I'm just not going to skip a step for this demo. Y minus 0 squared over B squared, which is 2 squared, equals 1, and that's always going to equal 1 there. So just to wrap this up, it's X plus 2 squared over 16 plus. A better way to say Y minus 0 squared is just Y squared over 4 equals 1. And that, my friends, is the final answer. That is the standard form. So you need that one and the focus, the foci formula. Have a good one.